yung asang kita.
Uy, ang perfect ni ate. Naka ano. Ay ano.
Ooh, look at that view. Ganda. Okay, a few more steps para sa ating rock formation. And sa north side, yung ating pong Taal Lake. Dito po yan. Then far off, yung peak doon is Mount Makiling.
Ay, may pugad oh.
And that peak is Mount Makiling. Okay. Hello. Oh.
Hi.
Oh, by the way, sa south side, yung sa sea, yung sa bay ng Batangas. Ganda ng forest. Over. Once again. And a few more steps. Okay. Ito na po yung rock formation ng Mount Makulot. Isang sikat na view deck para sa surrounding area. Ito po yung Taal Lake. That's it. Ayan po yung volcano. Okay. Far off yung peak na yun, yung Mount Makiling. And of course yung peak ng Mount Makulot. And that is where we came from kanina. And yan po yung entrance sa view deck. Ganda po. Yan yung ating Taal Volcano sa gitna ng Taal Lake. And that's it. Yung kabuuan ng Taal Lake. Okay. Yun, Batangas. Viewed from the rock formation here at Mount Makulot. Ito ng forest and the summit of Makulot. Of course, Taal Lake and the volcano. Okay.